FitLab PGH back with a movement tip, lifestyle hack. Remember, you want to look at movement as a lifestyle, not just an activity. We're out here on the trails. This is kind of some single track, double track, and just some reminders to be a good trail steward. First of all, pick up after yourself. If your dogs defecate or if you drop candy wrappers, don't do that. Second of all, think about the other people. If you've got 2 dogs and you want to stop to let other people by, or 1 dog, which is the polite thing to do, make sure A, they're under control, and B, you're not stopping in the middle of the trail. Get off to the side. If you're a bicyclist, you're going downhill, there's another bicyclist coming uphill, it makes sense to stop. Same thing if you're a bicyclist and you see other hikers coming, it makes sense to be a good steward. Finally, if you see a horse or somebody on horseback, whatever you're doing, stop, step to the side, because the side effects if a horse is spooked are pretty dangerous. Remember, the trails aren't just about you. Share them with everybody, be a good citizen, and make movement a lifestyle, not just an activity.